Namaskaram everyone. Myself Nima, one of the Asia follower and the volunteer. I hope you all are doing very well and keeping yourself healthy and safe in this challenging time. So nowadays I'm getting some of the queries from you guys regarding the practices until the initiation happens. Those people who has done inner engineering online program recently but has not been initiated for Sambhavi Mahamudra, they are looking for some practices, what they can do until the initiation happens and how they can heal themselves or help themselves whatever problems they are going through. So today we will talk about the tools, more tools which are available online and has been designed of course by Sadhguru. So there is one practice that is called Isha Kriya, which is a very simple practice, and it is again a very short practice. It's a 15 to 20 minutes of practice which you can do every day. I recommend to do it for twice a day, continuously at least for 3 months. Do it for longer time. If you really want to fix yourself, you have to really pay some time and some attention towards yourself. You can not just look for the quick fix. So come on, get up and do your practice, and do your practice regularly. I always say to the people, just do your practice regularly. There should not be any excuse to not to do the practice. There should not be any excuse to skip your practice. Do your practice every day regularly without fail, and do your practice every early morning. You just need to get up 20 minutes before your get up time, and then do your morning duties. Go for shower. Yes, I recommend you to take shower because it will bring a lot of energy change in you. You will feel more better while doing practices. After taking shower, you just lay down your mat in a quiet, peaceful area in your house, and then lit up a small oil lamp. Yes, lit up a small oil lamp. It will really help you to energize your ambience, your space where you are practicing. These are the 3 things you need to do. Get up 20 minutes before the time, before your get up time. Take shower and lit up the oil lamp. These 3 things you do, and then you do your practice. You do your practice just for 20 minutes, and then it's so easy to fix yourself. Why don't we use our tools which are available online for free and get rid of this fear and anxiety thing? Why we are accumulating all these fear and anxiety things? We can get rid of them with just 20 minutes of practice. And if you really want to make it a quick fix for yourself, then do it twice a day. It will really change you. Through this practice, regular practice, you will feel yourself very much balanced, mentally very much clear and calm. You will be much more away from the fear and anxiety. You will be more open towards the life and much more feeling happy. I have heard some of the people are going towards the ecstatic state of mind through this practice. They have done this practice for a couple of months, every day, twice a day, and they reaches to the ecstatic state of mind. Yes, it is possible. Because we don't know a lot of things we don't know, and that's why we say that okay, it is not possible, it does not exist. There are a lot of things which exist into the world, but they are not in our knowledge. So we should not underestimate those things, and let's explore. So let's explore and get rid of your fear and anxiety and be a happy and energetic living being. Don't be just sluggish and lethargic or sitting into the corner with the fear and anxiety. Don't let this fear and anxiety accumulate into your body and mind. Just get rid of these things with the simple practices by using simple tools. And I hope you are able to use this Isha Kriya tool until the initiation happens. By using this tool, you are also preparing yourself for Sambhavi Mahamudra. Yes, it is also one of the benefits. If you keep doing the Isha Kriya until the initiation happens, you will be more receptive to Sambhavi Mahamudra. Yes, your mind and body will be more receptive towards it. So in one sense, you are also preparing for initiation. So that would be a good chance for you to do the Isha Kriya and get yourself benefited, get rid of this fear and anxiety thing, and be a happy and healthy being, always being on and on and on. Like Isha volunteers, they never get off, they are always on. So you also can be that. So let's be that and get rid of fear and anxiety. Do the practices regularly every morning after taking shower, and don't forget to turn on the lamp, oil lamp. Yes, I will see you again with more information about more tools which are available at Isha. Until then, Namaskaram.